Please help share this video. My truck got stolen last night. About to file the police report. Wish me luck. You've all seen my truck before on the videos. I'll insert some clips here. It's a 2001 Gmcsierra 1500. It's got all my stickers on the back of it. It's missing a left rear tire hubcap. It got stolen out of Lakewood. Hopefully you guys help me find it. I appreciate it. Any help you guys got, DM me or on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. We are all loaded down. Trip 2 of the season going down, full action. We're squeezing. Let's go. That thing's been missing since Glamis. Flexing right there. I'm on buy the merch so I can get a new hubcap. All loaded up, heading back to the track. Back to Paris, here we come.
Whoa, 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 not the fresh tree.